friends, welcome. My name is Sarveshwar. In this video we would learn how to make a scatter plot in R. Whenever we want to do some regression, we just need to know is there any association between the variables we are considering. For that purpose, the first step is making a scatter plot. So how to do that? Because it's very easy in R, friends. So first import your data. I have already imported. So my data is it's like GDP per capita and internet data of sub-Saharan countries for a given duration 1998 to 2014. So let me attach it so it can read the column names directly. Then the simple command for scatter plot is plot, and the variable you want to have on x-axis is coming first. GDP per capita is my x-axis variable, and internet is my y variable, my y-axis variable. Okay, friends, run it. So this is the way we are having. This is our scatter plot. This is a scatter plot. We can see it is having every dot that connects the intersection of these two variables. Like this point says, so every point we are connecting here. And then other generic command of the plot we can use. These are xlab, just to change the label name of x-axis, ylab, change the label name of y-axis, xlim, just set the limit of x-axis variable, ylim, just set the limit of y variable. Main is like just to change the title of the plot. So I'm using the main argument here. So now we are having a plot. The title is scatter plot, internet on y-axis and GDP per capita on x-axis. So now what else we can improve here? We can change the shape of these dots. So in R the argument is PCH. So you can use 1, 2, 3. Suppose I say it's 2. I'm having this. So we can see the changes. They are now triangle shapes. If I do it, suppose I say I make it 5, it's different. So in this way we can change the shape of dots in the scatter plot. And suppose you want to make it colorful, so you can add one argument, color is equal to red, blue, green, whatever you want. And suppose you also want to add the best fit line. So if you know the best fit line, like what is intercept and slope, you can mention that. But if you don't know, then just run a regression by using lm command, lm internet on GDP per capita. So I'm just using this command, so it will automatically take the intercept and slope of the line, and I will use the AB line command here and click OK, friends. So it will give me the best fit line for the data. And if you want to change the line width and color of the line, you can also do that by using color or LWD line width command, line type command, as we used earlier in my other videos. So this is the way, friends. So in this video we had learned how to make a scatter plot, how to change label names, how to make the title of the scatter plot, and how to change the shapes of the dots we have, how to add best fit line in the scatter plot. So this was very useful, I hope so. Thanks, friends, keep watching.